Good morning, my name is Koe Su Su Thwin and I am 4th-year student from the University. Currently, I am working as a legal intern at TNY Legal Myanmar. It's my pleasure to share about the rights of women when they are sentenced with the capital penalty in accordance with the Criminal Procedure Code. Firstly, I would like to explain about the capital penalty. Literally means the death penalty. According to the Black Law Dictionary, death penalty is the capital punishment and the worst penalty given for committing a murders or atrocious assaults. In order to give the final judgment as an execution, we have to obey the procedures of death penalty under the Criminal Procedure Code of Myanmar. That is a system of laws and punishment which applies to the crime. Here, death penalty is usually given for the murders and the high treasons. The procedures for death penalty are expressly mentioned in the Chapter 28, Section 381 of the Criminal Procedure Code of Myanmar. When a Court of Sessions submits to a High Court a death sentence for confirmation, a Session Court shall perform execution by issuing a warrant or taking other necessary steps after getting the order of confirmation from the High Court. Literal injection, electrocuting, gas chamber, and the hanging are widely used for the execution. But on the other hand, human rights activists claim that execution is disappearing because this cannot deter the criminal. For example, the rate of the Canadian murder case has steadily decreased after abolishing death penalty. In my opinion, everyone must be treated equally before the law. But in special occasions, there are exemptions of law and are called the rights. Now, I'm going to talk about the rights of women while they are being sentenced. Firstly, only female searcher shall be employed, and this such shall be made strictly in accordance with the Section 52 of the Criminal Procedure Code and Article 1364 of the Police Manual in Myanmar. Secondly, according to the Section 497 of one of the Criminal Procedure Code, when any person who has been guilty of the offense punishable with death or transportation for life, he or she shall not be released on bail, but the court shall release the accused on bail only if they are under 16 years of age, women, sick, and infirm person. Similarly, Article 481 of one of Code's manual states that when any person is believed to commit the offense punishable with death or transportation of life in non-variable cases, he or she shall not release on bail, but the court shall release the accused only if they are 16 years of age, woman, sick, or infirm person. According to the Article 1368 of the Police Manual, a woman arrested by the police will be released on bail. If a female prisoner is not released on bail, she will be sent to the nearest jail where there are suitable arrangements for her accommodations. If not sent to a jail, a female accused will detain if any married constable is willing to receive her in his house. If no married constable is willing to receive her, she will always be confined in separate cell apart from the male prisoner, or she will be kept outside the cell. The arrangement will be made to ensure privacy and latrine accommodations. If there are no female prisoners in the lockup, two respectable elderly women will be engaged. Finally, for the execution, the High Court shall postpone the sentence of execution if the female prisoner is pregnant. Moreover, the High Court may punish that accused woman with the life imprisonment or with the transportation for life or with the imprisonment of unlimited years or with the imprisonment for a term of 20 years as it thinks fits in accordance with the Section 382 of the Criminal Procedure Code in Myanmar. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Koe Su Su Thwin and I'm intern at TNY Legal Myanmar.